Harry's Liquor offers the selection and expertise of a full-service liquor store right inside many Price Chopper and Sunfresh locations. Harry's helps Kansas City celebrate the best moments in life. And today, we're teaching you the ins and outs of another classic cocktail, Mojitos. This Cuban cocktail has become known worldwide for its light, bubbly, and minty fresh flavor. With a base of white rum muddled mint leaves and sugar, it's easy to understand why. Top it off with some ice, soda water, and lime, and you have a perfect cocktail all summer long. While we love the classic flavors of this drink, we also like to mix it up. Here are just a few of our favorite takes on the mojito. The watermelon mojito. By adding this iconic summer fruit, this mojito gains another delicate, delicious flavor. Blend up some watermelon and mix it in to create something entirely new. The frozen mojito. In the summer heat, this icy take on the mojito is perfectly cold and instantly refreshing. Enjoy an enhanced minty flavor when you blend those mint leaves with ice, lime, and rum. The coconut mojito. Now this take on the mojito gives it that perfect taste of summer. The cream of coconut and coconut rum give this drink a rich flavor that will have you kicking your feet up and sipping away. As always, we want to see your mojito creations. Shake it up with different kinds of produce, such as peach, blueberry, or raspberry, or even switch your liquor for something different like vodka or gin. Which recipe is top tier for you? Let us know in the comments. Cheers!